Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is very special video because we are not just teaching, we are learning. So today we are going to learn how to set and operate automatic cutting machine. Alongside with me is my new trainee who is also learning along with us. So if you have been curious about how automatic cutting machine works, or you are about to start nylon production business, by the end of this video you are going to learn how to operate and cut automatic nylon cutting machine. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is V Ward. On this channel we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your products. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button because we'll be guiding you on everything about nylon production. So let's hear from my new trainee. So what's your name?
My name is Mohammed Jamil.
Please, you're talking to them. So Mohammed, where are you from?
I'm from Kogi State.
This state. Where did you learn about us?
I was searching for information on YouTube and I came across one of your videos. So I went through your channel. I saw a lot of videos on your channel. So I've been wanting to engage in physical training for a while now, but I've never seen anywhere I could learn. So when I learned that you have a branch here in Enugu, so I decided to enroll.
Wow. So can you speak Kogi?
Very well. I'm from Okene, Kogi State, and in Okene we speak Ibera.
Please, can you greet my audience with your language?
Waonin Anyarodo.
Okay, let me try. Waronim.
No, it's not Waro, it's Wao.
Waonin. Anwarodo.
Anyarodo.
Anyarodo. So my Kogi people, Waoni Anyarodo. So let's proceed. So guys, this is our automatic cutting machine for white nylon. You can as well use it and cut black nylon. That's the side ceiling. So we are going to make use of this row to teach. This is 50 kg. This is quarter of it. These are full 50 kg, but we are not going to make use of it. We are going to make use of this one. This is the quarter of it. So first of all, we are going to start by putting our row. This was. Oh yeah. We are going to start by setting it up. I'm going to start by setting the row. So this is the old one. So we are going to remove this one. We are going to lose this thing. So when you lose this, you are going to remove the old one that is there. So and now put this one. It's not easier. So we are going to put it back. As you can see, this one, I did not lose this one. No. I just lose one side of it. I see.
Yes.
I just lose one side. So I'm going to put it back to ensure that this thing did not go inside here. Where is that? You hold this thing like this. You hold it so that it will be tight. So make sure you tight it well. So when you are done, you now take it. Yeah. See it. So it's time to pass it. We are going to pass it. This one is already here. We are going to remove it so that it will be easy for us so that you understand. If not because of you people, I can equally just try it, but I want you to know how it works. So by that time, first of all, you have to on your switch so that you on your machine. Let's on our switch. It's currently off now. When you on your switch, see it will reflect here. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the red light?
Yeah.
So that's indicate that you have on your switch. So you wait a little bit for your machine to heat before you start. So by right now, let's bring out the other nylon that is there. Look at on and off switch for the machine. It is on and off. Let's try it. Let me off it. I've off it. So we have removed the old white nylon that is there. So let's now pass our own. This is our own. It's time to pass it through. So first of all, the thing have to go under from here. Capture it here. From here. I seen it.
Yes.
If you go through here. From here. Put it here again. Bring it up. This is razor. Is that razor that cut the nylon, like that give it, divide it together. You know it's usually two, so it's the razor that used to divide it into two. So that's why the razor. So you have to be careful about the razor so that it will not. So when you have successfully passed it like this, see what you're going to do. Just keep it here. Once it's here, you just do like this. Put your hand under. Roll it like this. Just more, it's okay. You are good to go. How to set the razor? You can equally use your hand and open it. But me, I used to use more hanky like this. You have to use it though. You have to set it. You have to tight it. Let me just leave it like this. Maybe on our machine. If the thing is not cutting well, I'll come and reset. By that time, this thing have already straight. Everything will be in straight line. So another way of setting this machine is that size. The size depends. Any size you want to cut in this machine, where you are going to set it is here. Here. This is where you are going to set it. Here. If you want bigger size, right now normal white size that we used to produce is 8, size 8. It depends on your side how they want it, bigger one or smaller one. Some people even want 7 and some people want 9. It depends. So depends. So if you want to set your this, please help me with that thing. It's here that you are going to lose it. When you lose this thing, right now our machine is normal, it's set in everything. So I just want people to know, and you too, to know how to. So when you lose this thing, when you lose this pin,
Yes.
when it's loose, then you now use this thing. If you want it up, you use this thing. Once the thing will be moving, you will know whether the thing is going up or down. Here you'll be winding it. If you want it to be smaller, you'll be winding it down. If you want it to be bigger, you'll be winding it up. When you are done, you fix it and test it and use your tape. See our tape there. Use your tape to know whether the thing is the same size. Is you have gotten the size that you want. That is here that you set it. So we have passed our 9. So we are going to cut it. So after you have set your this thing, so we are still going to come back and check this thing when we start producing our nylon. We are still going to come back and check our razor whether it's in the same this thing. Let's make sure that the machine is set already. So right now our machine has already heated. It's ready for use right now. So we are going to on it. When we on it, we measure our nylon to make sure that this what we set is good and is in. The first one you are going to remove it because it's waste. So right now it's cutting. It's cutting. No, we are going to measure it. Let's off it and measure it. And also check the temperature when before you set your temperature, before you get, because each nylon is not the same, both the texture and everything. So you change your temperature often. So right now we are going to check the measurement first. If it's the same thing, I will now check the temperature. We now check the nylon whether it's leaking from anywhere. If it's leaking, know that the temperature we set does not match the nylon, because each nylon, because if I should remove this row and put this row, the temperature will automatically change, because the two nylon might not be the same gauge. You understand? So right now I'm going to check it. If it's leaking, and I will know that it's matched with the, if it's not leaking, I will know that it's matched with the one I set. If it's leaking, then I will try my best to get the temperature for this thing. I will just be changing the temperature. You understand? And no, it's either I lower it. If if you touch your leather, you know, this thing is like usual nylon, or this one is stronger than your usual this thing, or is softer than. You know whether you are going to reduce the temperature or high the temperature. So right now, let's check it. Let's check the size first. What do you see? The same
What is
size, Abi. It's the same size. So I'm going to check the temperature now, whether it's okay. You can't just start cutting. Start checking whether it's sealing or not. You can equally check it. It's not leaking. This one I'm holding. Check this one. You do it like this. That's how I used to check my own. You know whether it's leaking or not. You won't only check one. You check different this thing. Is it leaking? Make sure you check it. Check different. Bring another one and check. Make sure it's. So hope you guys are following. You are checking whether the temperature we set is okay with this. Is it okay? Is it leaking?
no.
As we are still checking the temperature, we are not going to put this thing in our main nylon till everything is perfect. Before you start putting this one, you are just, it's going straight to waste. Remember, nothing is a waste in nylon production. Even though you are bringing out all this waste, you can equally resell it to those that have recycling machines, so that they will recycle it for you. So let's on it and make sure confirm the size. Bring one and check the size by yourself. Is it okay? One is
No,
bigger,
one is bigger
a
than the other.
little.
That's a little bit.
Let's go and correct it there. You check the size. Then check the side that is bigger. It's in straight line now, so you know what you are doing.